Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your Apple Watch for some reason is just not charging. Now, excuse my fingers, I was just painting earlier. Now, the main reason to go ahead and fix this is your Apple Watch won't charge. So the main way to fix this is to check the back of your Apple Watch. Now, back here is the charging magnetic clasp for your specific watch. So what this is essentially you will go ahead and grab your other charger that you typically will have on your phone. So you will go ahead and grab your other charger for your specific Apple Watch and you'll plug it in right here. So you want to go ahead and make sure nothing is obstructing this path. So you can go ahead and wipe it down if you want. Another thing I would recommend doing is going ahead and making sure you don't have a big case on your Apple Watch either. And those are the main things. As long as those things are set, you can pretty much rest assured that your Apple Watch may not actually be the problem. So what could be the problem? Well, the next thing I'd recommend looking at is actually the charger itself. You want to make sure that that charger is plugged in to an actual outlet, make sure it's good and everything like that. And you want to go ahead and see if there's any issues with the specific outlet that you plugged it in. So I'd recommend looking at other, specific outlets that you may have. Try plugging in those, plugging them out and seeing if anything fixes it. I would also recommend going ahead and seeing if you have another Apple Watch available and placing it on that charger and seeing if that actually fixes it as well. Again, it's not guaranteed that that'll fix it, but you just want to go ahead and kind of trial and error and see if that actually is the problem. Because if the Apple Watch is perfectly fine, but the charger itself is actually the problem, then you will go ahead and have to pretty much figure out that charger situation and buy another Apple Watch charger and pretty much go down that route in order to actually fix this issue. So those are pretty much the main ways to fix if your Apple Watch isn't charging. Another thing I'd recommend doing is pretty much holding down the power button on the side right here and powering off your specific Apple Watch. So you can go ahead and just slide to power off and try powering it back on again and seeing if that actually fixes the issue. Again, it's not guaranteed that'll fix it, but most of the time, little things like this may actually end up fixing the issue for a majority of people out there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.